Hey friends, if you encounter the issue where Windows Start menu is very slow to open, then please watch this video. I will guide you to the resolution. So if I click on the Windows Start menu, it will immediately open all of the apps and recommendations. But if it is slow to open, then there are two cases. One is that your system itself is slow, because I have faced this issue in the past, and in that case, everything will be slow to open. Even if you open an application or a file, everything will be slow. So if that is the case, then that's a different situation. But if it is specific to the start menu, which I'm assuming that it will be specific to the start menu here, in that case, try the following solution. Search for performance in the Windows search bar and click on adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. Now uncheck these first two options, which are animate the controls and elements inside Windows and animate Windows when minimizing and maximizing, and also uncheck the third one, animations in the taskbar, because the start menu is a part of the taskbar. Click on apply and then on OK to save the settings. The next solution is an SFC scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Okay, and then type the command sfc space / scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. This will need a while to complete, like it's just verifying right now, so you'll have to leave it on for a few hours. Keep doing your work in the background, it doesn't matter, but you'll have to leave the SFC scan on for a few hours for it to complete the job. It will scan for missing and corrupt files on your system and replace them if possible. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.